Question 22 is 5 marks. It's quadratic simultaneous equation. If you would like to, you can pause the video and try it yourself. Alright, so let's do it. The first thing is I'll start with the second equation here. I'll make y the subject. So let's do minus 2x minus 2x. This is cancelled. So you get y equals 3 minus 2x. Good. Then, instead of this y up here, I'll substitute the value of 3 minus 2x. Do you get it? Let's do it. So the first part, x squared with no change, plus, instead of y, I write the value of y, which is 3 minus 2x squared, and that's equals 41. X squared stays. Now let's expand these brackets. It's going to be 3 minus 2x. I don't know why I made it so small. 3 minus 2x. Then the x squared still stays. It's resting for now. Plus, now let's multiply 3 times 3, 3 times 2x. So 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times negative 2x is negative 6x. And then we multiply this 2x here and this 2x there. So minus 3 times 3, minus 2x times 3 is minus 6x. And then minus 2x times minus 2x is plus 4x squared. And that's equals to 41. That's very good job. Did you get all this? Now, let's do what? Let's combine like terms. X squared looks like 4x squared, so they just be 5x squared. And then minus 6x and minus 6x look alike, so it's minus 12x. And then this is plus 9 equals 41. Now let's bring this 41 to the other side, so you will have 5x squared minus 12x plus 9 minus 41 equals 0. That gives you 5x squared minus 12x. And then what's minus 9 plus 41? It's just like 41 minus 9, which is 31. So it's minus 32. You can use your calculator. Equals 0. That's very good. So if you got to this point, you're almost finished. Now this is a quadratic equation. Have you noticed? I'll solve it using the quadratic equation. I like it. It's easy. It's never giving you a wrong answer. It's safe. So A is 5, B is negative 12, and C is negative 32. Now what's the equation? You will find it in the formula sheet. It's minus B plus or minus the square root of B squared minus 4AC divided by 2A. And that gives you x equals, substitute the values. Minus B is going to be minus minus 12, which is 12, plus or minus the square root of B squared. Always start by writing brackets here. Many students write the negative outside and they get it wrong. So for this part specifically, please write the brackets and start by doing the work. And then minus 4 times A. What's A? Is 5 times C, which is negative 32, divided by 2 times 5. Once you get to this point, don't try to make this symbol. No, your calculator will do all that. So start by plugging just the positive value. So this is what you will do. You will do 12 plus the square root of negative 12 squared minus 4 times 5 times negative 32. So just write it all like that. times negative 32. Go down and write 2 times 5. You got the first value of x equal 4, and then we go back and we change the positive sign into negative. So it's instead of 12 plus, we will now do 12 minus. That gives you x equal negative 1.6. Very good. We got the values of x. Now we need to find the values of y. And we have a nice equation here ready for us to use. Y is 3 minus 2x. Let's write it down. Y equal 3 minus 2x. So for the first value, 3 minus 2x. Now for the first value of x, y is going to equal to 3 minus 2 times 2 times the value of x, which is 4. That gives you 3 minus 8, which is negative 5. For the second value, you will have y equals 3 minus 2 times negative 1.6. So that gives you 3 plus 2 times 1.6. It's going to be 3.2, isn't it? And that gives you 6.2. How was it? Was it fun? That's a very nice question. It's 5 marks. I liked it. Now let's look at question 23. What's this? That's a circle.